Hello ladies and gents, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to change your input and output on Discord. Meaning your input is what you're sending through, which is your microphone, such and such, people that can hear you talk, and your output is what you are receiving, or your headphones or speakers, such as that kind of stuff. It's basically where your output's basically where you're receiving audio, and your input's where you're sending audio, if that makes sense. It's really simple and easy to do. If you haven't already, if you have not downloaded Discord, there will be a link in the description for you guys to download this guy. It's free to download, won't take long, and let's hop into it. So you're going to need to make an account also if you're new to Discord. If you haven't already, if you're at this point, if you're not at this point where you're made an account, you've joined a server or whatever, pause the video, do what you gotta do, and then come back. I'm just gonna hop right into this. So first thing you want to do after you've made a profile is go down to the bottom here. I'm actually gonna have to move this up a little bit. There we go. Go down to the bottom here where it says this gear and it says user settings. And you want to go to voice and video under app settings. After that, you can see at the top here where it says voice settings, your input device and output device. So currently my input device is the microphone that I'm using right now, USB PNP audio device. Here I can change it to whatever microphone that the computer itself has detected and has installed the driver. So if you don't have a microphone set up to Windows, it will not detect it in Discord. I do not know how that works on Mac. I'm assuming it's the same concept. If the operating system itself has not detected the device and set it up with its pre-installed drivers, then the Discord software will also do the same thing. So essentially it's pulling the information from the operating system, if that makes any sense. So the reason it says like my headset stand down here is because that actually has an audio input. And then my webcam also has a built-in microphone, my headset of course, and I'm not really sure what this one is. I think this might be another microphone if I'm not mistaken. I think that's my Audio Technica now that I think about it, but we're just gonna leave it as that. So to change a device, obviously you go down to the drop down and you select a device. So let's say if I wanted to use my headset and not use my condenser microphone, all I gotta do is go to where it says headset microphone / Corsair, click on that, and as you can see right here, this is where it's gonna detect if the device is sending an output signal. So as of right now, there's no signal going out because my microphone is muted. Now if I take my microphone, off of mute,
mic on,
as you can see now, it's sending a signal through.
Mic off.
So we're just gonna set that back because I do not want to change that. And the same thing goes for the output device. If you want to send it to another location, such as the onboard card or your computer monitor, if it's a TV, it will have and it's hooked through the HDMI. It's able to play sound through its built-in speakers or whatever speakers you have. You basically just send it through there, and it will. You hear the little noise that I just made, and you'll be able to receive sound through that other audio device. Just to show you that it worked, I'm going to get back out of here and just join a random room real quick in my server. So we'll do clan voice. Just to show you that it works, down here, as you can see, my green light is going around the profile picture, meaning that it's actually sending signal through. If you guys that was very delayed. That was the sound effect of me joining. Anyways, if you guys have any questions, run into any issues, or for some reason it's not working, please don't hesitate, drop a comment down in the comment section. That's what I'm here for. I'm happy to help. But yeah, with that said, I will see you guys in the next video. Stay classy.